Okay, did you have a chance to think how are Freddie and Oscar the same and how are they different? So some of the things we came up with in class today is for Freddie we said green. And for Oscar, we said brown. So over here on Freddie, let me get my text going. I would write green. And for Oscar, I would write brown. Let me see if I can do that there. No, let's see, does it want to work? Let's try that again. Maybe. Let's try that one more time there. There we go, brown. If I could spell that right, right, first grade? All right, then maybe in the middle I would put animals because they're both animals. So that is what I would put in the middle of my Venn diagram because that's something that they both are. They're both animals. Oopsies, it did it again. Let's see. Here's one example of a Venn diagram. Now, of course, we could put a lot of things. For Freddie, I would put big eyes. For Oscar, I would put tiny eyes. Maybe for both, I would put they both have a flag or they both have hats, and that would go in the center. So this is one way that a Venn diagram helps us organize our thoughts when we read. So today I want you to practice a Venn diagram. I want you to go ahead and read the two books that I assigned for you on Epic. One is about lions, baby lions, and the other is about baby foxes. I think I put dogs in my video, but it's really foxes. I want you to read those two stories. Then I gave you a Venn diagram. I want you to be thinking with your Venn diagram, how are the foxes and the lions the same? And on your Venn diagram, you will write that information right in the center, how they're the same. Then I want you to be thinking, well, how is a fox, and you'd have maybe a fox written over here, different than a lion? And how is a lion, maybe you'd have a lion on this side, different than a fox? I want you to be thinking about that while you're reading, and then fill in your Venn diagram on your paper that I have on one of the final slides.